Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi don talk the community where government for get land for Edo State. So try watch this video from beginning to the end. Make you for know the area where government for get land. In case you wan buy land, make you no go buy government land. E don also talk about Tony Kabaka contesting for youth leader for Edo State. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi.
If Kabaka becomes this national APC youth leader, is he not going to attract the development to Edo State? If as a youth leader of the party, the president calls him to say, come, I want to speak with the youth leader of the party. Can Kabaka tell the president that the road leading to Benin Abraka, leading to Benin Woriru is bad. And if you want us to get votes in those areas, let's go and fix that road. A very good evening to our conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze, the Coordinator General of the Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise. In fact, the CEO former Edo State. I'm here to reassure you that on our part, we do all what is necessary to get you a CFO document. I cannot sign a CFO document I cannot give you the offer letter myself until when the GIs issue such. But on our part, we'll do what is expedient. Excuse me. How far ever, sir? Hello? I do bear with us. So my leader, Kevin Okoje, you are welcome. In fact, we did the site inspections today. It was on a visual. What has been done? All the encumbrances affecting your file have been addressed. As we speak, you have a cause to receive your CFO document. On our part, we do what is necessary to ensure that the documents get to your hand as at when yesterday we came out to enlighten our people. And I said something about a land that was bought in two communities. How long are we going to keep hiding? Excuse me. Hello? How long are we going to keep protecting the community for security reasons while subjecting our people into economic problem that may affect them as a result of some relative ignorance? I told you yesterday, somebody bought a land along the road, 1.9 million. You don't want 2 million. Let me open the community for you. Boku talk and people tell our people. Now, Okoroma community, Oke-Oroma community, and Opagino Osa. The government land where those communities not be small. Or those communities they sell out. Along the road, that area where that pantry dey before you reach that army check. All those land na government land. Then if you pay enter agriculture for back all those land. So before you buy land in any of these communities, Aropa, Okoromi, Obazagbo and others, first do the needful to confirm if those lands are government land. Community like Uwu, community like Oka, not get much government land. Here, not get much. In fact, there are no government land in the whole of Bugahi. But you see Oredo, government land too many. So when you are buying the land, you must be very vigilant. So why am I out this evening? I'm not here to discuss much. Our brother, our friend, the most respected vacancy in Niger-based general, vacancy, gave us his job to do a CFO and survey on his behalf. You get one bros when I see, I never feel picky. We get around here. Anytime I dey do live video, he must follow me. I never feel picky name. If you are watching me comment, let me identify you. You deserve to be praised, bro. Never get time I just do live video, I never see you dey watch. You deserve to be praised. Your name not show here, but if I describe you, you know. You carry hair small for front, your BS round. Bros, I commend you. You dey always follow me. Thank you very much. And thank the whole of you. Our brother Vacancy gave us a survey to do on his behalf at Uo community. This is the survey, including CFO. He's here right with me. And we decided to say, this two state Benin, when we do better. He work for Delta State. Bayelsa State, sorry. The internet is saying we will not see each other before we ground. I told him, I said, after we don't do work, we don't deliver. He said, one can collect him documents. For my mind, I do not want to give him documents in our office or anywhere. Can't know where they stay. Not be say you give her money, and they can stay. This is where we stay. Come and pick it there, so that may you know who you give money, they stay. Not be say we start. You see me for internet, we start from Meru, then from Meru. If I have my phone, you don't me again, you don't see me again. No. So today, I am officially handovering your documents to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I am indeed extremely grateful for the patronage, because, believe you me, not be me to be the first person when you know where they do this thing. But you say, you get one guy where I see for internet to support them. I like the way they go into the do. I want to give them this work. Not be saying you don't go one. It mainly. Who want to do one for you? Too many. Not be one, not be two. But you choose me. When you give me that money for the job, you give me from your mind. Since then, we never see. As you enter Benin, you come and say, so I'm going to put your data, my document. I said, okay. I did interview now for CFO office. That was a few things. So then I said, okay, I bet I go be more seated. Then I said, okay. When it don't reach the time, It remained like one bar. Make my phone off. We are all human beings. I cannot tell you we are going to see by 3 o'clock reach my phone off. Even if na the battery finish, an average Nigerian man will say, this guy gave it to you wrong. Now make am off. Immediately I called you. I said, I want to send you an alternative number because this one go soon off. Now send you number. Say, in case you call my direct line, it off, call this one. And today, your document is in your hand. And since when you give me this money, you never disturb me once for travel. Say, how far now? All those normal skepticism wey go make you dey say, oh, you sure? You sure? You did. That was why I said, no, we want to give you the documents. You are to receive it in an environment where I say, na me use motor take carry you from Saple Road to this place. Na me once you use motor still go take drop you for Ring Road. So that you will know the source of where your business activity is emanating from. We are humans. At times we do make mistakes. We are answerable to so many persons. We might say we'll be here by 2. Man proposes as God disposes. But one assurance is this. You give us a what do you money? Get it clearly. Your money will never lose. And then let me tell us all. You pay for CFO application, not mean you get CFO. You cannot buy a government land and begin to expect CFO. It can't happen. I told them yesterday, I said there was a land as we speak. Somebody spent approximately 11 million naira to buy government land. 11 million naira to buy government land. If not be condition, we make booger fish and Nigeria right C90. If you get $11 million for America and you not yes no you get and you go prison. Because of the fact that there are no value in the Nigerian resources. 11 million. I told the person, I said, come, you know, if you like to move, say that make good on that one. Because you don't see money in one. You don't see the money now. Oh, yeah. I want to see the money. As the money enter, that one done the rock already. Why they do like that about time? When night trading, and trading, Jack Daniels day, many better hotel day. Also one game. At the end of the day, the highest language that will come out from it is make we sit down, make we settle down. We want to settle the matter. They'll go bring the one where they each remain if they reach. That is if you get the physical war chest or the economic war chest to chest such a matter. So to avoid story that touches the eyes before you buy, Sophie, confirm if that see if land not be government land, you buy. It's easy to settle. highest the will be on not be when you go, how can you spend a profit so of 11 million to buy it? I do not need much topic today. I am only doing this video because of my brother, Vacancy, who gave me his job. And despite his tight schedule, I wish I you come. Because they said that I don't want to go to one after those kind of moves. You will accept to take it, but you will be disappointed in your Sakono. So this boy, you will accept to get your document, but you will be disappointed. When we start your CFO proper, ensure you keep going. Don't say I don't give a CFO, you go rest. No. What is the update? I will give you update. What is the update? Not say they say that 4 months, you go sleep. If it's 6 months, if it will 8 months. Yeah. So the truth is, now get CFO, now get land. CFO man, I get CFO of virtually all my property. If I have many, that is if I have many. So Vacancy, I must commend you. And I say a very big thank you to you for your overwhelming support. And I think you deserve much encomium than what I am enriching on you right now. To us as Tanusadi Enterprise, our primary goal and objective is to deliver. And I can authoritatively assure you that will deliver the nitty gritty as it is expedient from us. This much I can take. I want to say it a big thank you. Oh, Jolly Odion Okoro. Now you are they say they always follow me up. Now you are the talk just now Jolly Odion Okoro. I too believe you, bros. Bros, if you get land for that community, before you put sand for that land, confirm whether that government land because government land too full use it. I don't deceive you now. Obagi Nemusa. Uke Oroma. Obazago. This community, when you pass agriculture, it goes Obayato. Arwogba. Okoromi. Those area. Iriri. Those area is the epic of government land. I'm about get, but not to get. Those area are the epic of government land. And the funniest part is that even Governor Baseki no government land. Now let me tell you, if they see you that they work for government land, it will pass. But when government need land to do something, government will go back to their book. They'll go open up all government land in those states. It will show those who want to use this. Now ShopRite is coming to Edo. They cannot come and put ShopRite in my house. Now government land they will put them. You know God to say, I don't be that spoon to I don't be that spoon, make the live out. If you like to clear from that next week, government will come with a bulldozer, remove your house, and bring this ShopRite for over overriding public interest. Any land wey dey government land, no let anybody deceive you say e get wetin government talk say dem wan, na we come dey say na we not do anything for that land again. If you say I no even sell am to anybody, because if you sell government land to me, if na 20 years I come find you. The only thing you can do to help yourself, that's why people like us is on ground for you. You wan buy land, no be the money wey you wan give me for survey, and no be money wey you wan give me for verification. Imagine somebody wey buy land worth about 11 million. Na money for survey and verification go be a problem. It is better you spend and waste money for survey and verification than to spend 11 million to buy a government land. It is better you waste money for survey and land verification, because they are two separate things, than to spend huge amount of money to buy a government land. I see one place where they bulldoze, the person wan build hotel put. How will I want to build a very massive hotel? I no fit confirm. I no fit do that one. Or is it that because I read issue related to that? Somebody just dey bulldoze one big place for that Okoro man and that along the road. You no know say na government land dey bulldoze. You wan build hotel. After you spend over 300 million to build hotel, government go peacefully bring bulldozer come remove and say shop price dey come. And the worst part of it, the law is this: when government carry bulldozer come break your house, you will pay for the bulldozer. That is the law. If you think I dey lie, who has people wey dey demolish their house, they dey owe government money. There are 3 processes in land revocation. They will first of all issue what we call the stop work notice. Sorry, the contravention notice first, that you have contravened. You say, don't worry, wetin dey happen, they don't know me, not be war Osakwuno. War Osakwuno. Whoa! I know this guy, I don't be this guy be the deputy, this one. This one, na me and dey talk now. Not be me and this governor and my guy now. When I throw this contravention, you tear up. They'll give you stop work notice. That time now you have to clear. They say, SLS. Even if SLS listen, you may not have link with the next SLS. Because SLS will never come. Now many pass. God will not see. You may be shocked tomorrow. This may just be an SLS. Nobody knows tomorrow. I cannot even tell. Even when I'm saying that I'm not vying, I don't fight to any position. You go back tomorrow and say, now you. Because I was in my room, they sleep. For my house, when my cutting, for me half, when they laugh me that year. When they come call me, say, you must be the chairman or the vice chairman of my community. I rejected for more than 3 weeks. Then they begged me to go say you will be. They came to my house to beg. I not run come and say I want to do community issue. Community come beg me for house. Not me do. Now we will do well, please. I beg. They beg me to do that. So you know this SLNC. Not me say you go know tomorrow SLNC. Nothing lasts forever. You might be raining now. You can still change like a weather. If rainy season they assume, ain't not gonna know say dry season will come. Osakwuno hold in 2019. Osakwuno hold in 2020. Osakwuno hold in 2023. Osakwuno hold in 2024. Osakwuno hold in feed the settle the year say sit down. You see another man. That is the reason why it is hard for me to insult anybody. Now politics are the play. I don't get personal issues with anybody. Somebody call me on interview, one interview, say, hey, come in, one interview. You never even tell me that. You just coming for fun and they drag, you see they work. I want to go deliver that last plan yesterday for that man who come with us to buy. It's already to 7. I mean, after 7, my phone is ring. As well, you're ring soon. My phone was just ring. Hello? Hello? Ah, hello. I mean, you give me 10 minutes, I did live video. Are you getting the point? My phone, you're ring. Yes, this is we are on the live broadcast. We want to ask you some few questions. I said, I'm sorry. Courtesy demands that when you want to bring me on the broadcast, you will call me, tell me down. As me they talk, network not clear. I got courtesy. As I want call back, we be human being. Before me call back, the door they say, hey, cut phone us. I want to cut phone us. And actually, I did not cut that phone. But you are supposed to seek my opinion and audience before you put me on the live broadcast. So I immediately apologized to them and I entered into the broadcast and I discussed. They now asked me, are you happy? Will you be happy to see Tony Kabaka becoming? This is a continuation of the previous video. Somebody actually called it. Now, the person that asked said, you are aware that Tony Kabaka is running for the state APC leader. Will you be happy to see Kabaka emerge as the state APC leader? I said, first, I'm not a member of APC. And I don't vote in the APC as a party. Secondly, do I look like an enemy of progress? If Kabaka becomes this national APC youth leader, is he not going to attract the development to Edo State? If as a youth leader of the party, the president calls him to say, come, want to speak with the youth leader of the party, can Kabaka tell the president that the road leading to Benin Abraka, leading to Benin Woriru is bad, and if you want us to get votes in those areas, let's go and fix that road. If they eventually fix such federal road, will I not say because Kabaka draw and call and no fit drive pass? I go here campaign, talk your own, make I talk now. Not be war e be na election. When election finish, na governance. The governor of Edo State today, His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki, came in as a PDP governor, but he's an Edo State governor. Every Edo State have right. You cannot say Nadosa Onokodi, now you go fight put, now the nation say the government made the rest go sit down. For what? Nobody can tell me for maybe not even we. The government will dare those things. I don't fit talk to them. No we. I don't agree. So if me don't agree, I should also know that the next myself not agree. What do you know what me to do you? May you safe, not to person. So I'm not an enemy of progress. In fact, we pray that Tony Kabaka wins the elections to become the national youth leader of the APC. It was only pathetic that His Excellency the then governor of Edo State, Adam Asuli Oshomole, who was the national chairman, an enviable position, according to Edo State, use it as a mechanism to fight some people. Ordinarily, when you lost a national chairmanship position, you lost a big thing in your state. When they were giving ministers across the country, because of the position of the national chairman, I don't got 2 ministers. Forget the fact that one of them who happens to be Minister of Health is a docile minister. A docile minister. What me and Indian have been talking. Compared to the Minister of Budget. Minister of State for Budget. This former minister, Commissioner of Environment in Edo State. Go see the way the guy dey deliver. You know say na Minister of Budget e be like Minister of Works when it comes to Edo State. E dey terror dey go. You know how they tell us say e to go school. Well, na your school wan eat. I'm talking about Clem Baba. Forget party politics. Let's speak the truth at all times. Tell friend truth, you know the first preference. So people like we not get anything like say may not go if they go. I have no see. I love to be a governor. I love to earn any position in the room, but I am not desperate about it. If you reach my hand bros, I go take. If you not reach, I'll leave her. Atoriyokpa Omase Afihan Wuyemila. So when they ask me that, I told them, if I have the capacity to vote in the APC, if I happen to be a member of the party, even if I'm not a member of the party and you say I should vote as an Edo man, and somebody is contesting from Edo, the other one is coming out from Bayelsa, I will go and vote to Kabaka. I will go there and cast my vote to Kabaka because I want that position to come to my state. You know what is national youth leader? National youth leader fit not get level for a normal day, but when the election don dey, you know the power of national youth. Your Excellency, I know what is happening. For us to come to Edo, that Benin Warri road should be fixed. Maybe in the other 1 or 2 programs, some people will come back for corner. If they refuse to tell this place, we will not vote in that. If they refuse, the president is running down to do it. I am Minister of Works. Go and carry out the feasibility study. Let's see how we're going to fix that. Will it not be a plus to the state? So why are you not asking me if I will be happy? The only place I will have disagreement with Kabaka is when it now happens to be PDP and APC in Edo. I will not support my party against his own. Not when he's going to contest and bring the position to my state. I will say I don't like Kabaka because he pierced black, or because he hair bend, or because he hand straight, or because he too tall, or because he too short, or because he said this, or because he said that. I have no business with that. My business is whatever can bring progress to Edo State, are they? Whatever can bring progress to Edo State, are they? That is why, as we speak, I am the CFO man Edo State. According to Edo. Nobody don't give me CFO, tell me say you are a Togberi and everybody do. But is a Yamu supporter, Obaseki supporter. My supporters are all giving me their job. So don't tell me say, sometimes people come and say, no, you don't even want to give this work like this and the way you take it do. If not, the way you take do for that, if not, my brother, election good and then Baba, give me job. Ogberane, we love what we do. You think as I dey here now, anybody don't come and say, come take me. No. Nobody don't call me say, for what you did in the election, aside the benefits, where no people give me, I won't deceive. If I not come out to say, nobody give me the millions, I don't want them to try for me, I will be an ungrateful person. They did. Apart from that, I know any of these people come up. I don't even get chance. Maybe therefore even like to say, let me help this boy. But I not get chance to ask. If they give me, I take. If you not give me, I don't go already carry me reach the level they say, I don't need to do Babiala first before I get empowerment.
knows who made it possible, because you there and you don't know. I cannot tell you now, say at the end of all this survey, when I give you now the document, you say me not get my own 10,000. If I tell you that one, you say this guy is not, he's a liar. Say I'll come do this whole work for you. I'll say, oh God, I too love vacancy. Oh, the way vacancy just stay there. The beers, the way they shave out. So not long come out from mad like this man will not make me resemble Jesus of old. If I should tell you that, I am a liar. I don't tell you say that I too love you. Nothing bad for my mouth. Say they work out follow the whole beneath. They don't follow the bush. They don't for push for free. If I tell you that one, be lie. So to me, I advise all the people always be vigilant. Like that. Confirm such land is a government land. May God bless you all. As we speak, vacancy got a good time. That's the vacancy not ready to move. Vacancy not need to talk with the man before me read the body language to do say, I can send a you are. Or what can come here be wama we no wine. You understand? A vacancy here is a no wine. Forget my own BSO. In a small picking where vacancy there. So make I respect the general when I carry come from farm. Make I go drop farm. We are for Kenya. So vacancy, I'm very grateful. I say thank you very much. The kind soup we will cook, na chop one, chop two. As I cook this one for you, so you give me your kalumba, you enter my pocket. As I that season, so many problems. I bet the next man say, you don't carry the long, they give us hope. I beg. No, I beg. Thank you very much, and two people. I'm very grateful this Osa. What do you? I want to say my phone.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share it. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.